With US President Donald Trump doubling the tariff rate to 50%, India is looking to review its market access offers to America in some sectors. India is conducting a fresh assessment of its market access proposal to the United States as American trade negotiators scheduled to visit New Delhi later this month. India remains optimistic about analyzing the bilateral trade agreement despite Donald Trump's decision to double the tariffs with 21 days remaining before the new additional 25% duty takes effect. A US team is scheduled to visit India for trade deal talks between August 25 and August 30. Trump's 25% additional tariff on India for the latest Russian crude oil trade is set to kick in from August 27. However, sources indicate that India maintains firm stance on its agriculture and dairy sector, considering it's non-negotiable. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has explicitly stated his commitment to safeguarding the interest of farmers and the dairy sector. United States is seeking expanded market access for its agricultural products, including dairy items. India maintains its resistance to the demands, considering the direct impact on its farming community. Three-pronged strategy to protect exporters even as trade deal negotiations are in the works. The government is parallelly developing a three-part approach to mitigate the effects of increased tariff. Work is going on at a fast pace to bring some relief to the exporters, said an official. Officials indicated that the proposed export promotion mission would include the customized scheme to support the sectors facing the challenges. Another element pertains to diversion of goods to another geography, and the exporters are working on this, and the government is examining the opportunities to this diversion, an official said. The strategy's third aspect focuses on identifying sectors experiencing reduced export orders, which could be redirected to fulfill domestic requirements. Trump's latest comments have cast an uncertainty on whether a sixth round of trade deal talks will take place. Trump dismissed any prospect of trade talks with India, making it conditional upon addressing trade-related concerns. Mr. Modi, on his part, has made it clear for India the interests of farmers are of